Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to today's video. In this video today I'm going to be talking about a keyword research program that I use. This is the one that I've been using for several years now, and one that I find to be the easiest, and by easy I mean it's just flawless, and then it also is easy to understand. Sometimes when you have keyword research tools, in order to interpret the data, it can be a little difficult. This one is super easy. I'm going to show that to you today. I did another video a couple days ago about this same program, and I spoke about the SiteRank tool that this program has. So if you want to go check that out, I'll leave a link in the description to that video that I did a couple days ago. But today I just want to talk about the keyword research part of this program. And the website that I'm talking about is called Jaaxi. This is it right here. I'm logged into my account. And it has a bunch of features, and one of them is the keyword research tool. And so I'm just going to show you the power of it real quick. So here we are at the keyword research area, and all you do is type in your keyword that you want to target. And we're going to do a real simple one here. And we're going to hit enter. And so it's going to search online for us. And so here's the data that we come up with. So the keyword how to make money online is featured here at the top. And you have I'll show you what these mean up here at the top. Average means this is the amount of traffic or the amount of searches it's going to get per month. So this is a huge number. And then right next to it is the traffic. This is what you can expect. This is the traffic you can expect if you rank on the first page of Google for this keyword. And then the QSR, which is this one is 206. The QSR is basically just how many competing websites are ranking for this keyword. Okay, so that's actually a lot, 206, but considering the amount of searches and traffic, that's not bad. And here we have the, this is basically going to show you if it's a good idea, if it's a good keyword or not. As you can see below here, it says great, great. This is normal. I'm going to look down and see. I don't see any that are bad. Occasionally you'll have one that's just like, don't even try to rank for that. But normal's good. Like I said, with these kind of numbers, this is a pretty good one. I would try to rank for this. And then the SEO, this is just a score that it's going to give you, obviously, just like in school, you know, your 90s, these are your A's, your B's. So this is about a C. This kind of coincides with the ranking that they give you over here. So that's basically how easy it is to read. Super simple. Here is domains. So it's going to show you, none of these are available of course, but this is where you would see if there's a domain that you can maybe pick up if you're interested in doing that. Okay, so let's try, I'm going to show you one more. Let's try another keyword. Best online tools for blogging. Find keywords. Okay, so this particular keyword, not the greatest. Well, it says it's great, but if you notice that it gets less than 10 searches, and obviously then less than 10 traffic is going to be coming to your website. There's 0 competing. So you can definitely rank for this one if that's something you want to do. That's why it's listed as great. And the SEO score here is 88 because of just what I just said, the fact that it just doesn't get that many searches. But let me show you over here to the side on the right, you have what's related keywords, a list of related. So sometimes when you're searching for your keyword, this list is going to come up, and it may be something that you hadn't thought of. I always like looking over there and seeing like, oh, you know what, that's a better way to put it. Let me see how that does. So for instance, here we've got best online tools for affiliate marketing. That would definitely fit into my niche and be something that I could try to rank for. Best online tools for my business. And it goes on. So, and all you have to do is if you're like, oh, you know what, I like that keyword better, let's see how that one is. You just click it and it will automatically be filled in right here. And you can see the results for it. So that's a real good, I mean, you can just click on it and get your results. So let's say your niche is not in the make money space. Let's say it's something else. Let's say you are maybe under health and nutrition or fitness and nutrition. So what's really popular right now is the keto diet. So let's do a search term for the keto diet. We're going to write in, what is the keto diet? Find keywords. Okay, so here's what we've got. Under that search, under that keyword, we have a lot of searches. Like I said, this is very popular right now, and this would be a great keyword to try to rank for. It has a lot of competing websites, 196, that's a lot, but you know, depending on how well established your website is and how good your SEO marketing is, you could actually rank, and that would bring in a lot of traffic. Down here, this one only has 28. I wanted to show you this. So what is the keto diet plan? So if you just add the word plan to it, still gets a ton of searches and a lot of traffic, and there's only 28 competing websites. That's huge. That's awesome. That's exactly the one I would go for right there. Okay, this is another one here. What is the keto diet? How does it work? This is also pretty good, 53. I would say that you want to definitely try to get under 100 for your QSR, and then your traffic, you know, over 100 or over 500 is great. That's kind of what you want to be aiming at. So another feature of this program is, like I said, I'm going to try to rank for what is the keto diet plan based on this information here. So I'm going to click this box right here, and I can save it to a list. Okay, and let's say I also want to click this one, and let's find one more that seems really good. I don't know. Let's go for this one. What is the paleo diet plan? Okay, let's just say you wanted to save those to a list, come back to it later and figure out which one you're going to rank for. You can save it to a list, and we're going to create a new list, keto diet, just something like that, boom. And it's in your list. And you can click and view the keywords here, and I'll show you. So I've got a lot of lists going, but this is the one that I just did, the keto diet. And it saves it to the list and with all the relevant information. So this is a great feature, something I really enjoy. It's under saved lists, because you can just go through and spend a whole day or several hours doing some keyword research and have it saved to list, and then when you go to start writing your content, you can just refer back to the list and you're good to go. So that's basically it in a nutshell. Like I said, this is the keyword research tool that I use most often. I think it's the easiest to use. It is user-friendly, and then the information that you get is super easy to understand. And when you're, you know, blogging and trying to be consistent, this is one of the best tools you can use in order to help you rank. So like I said, it's called Jaaxi. I will leave a link to this in the description if you're interested in trying it out. You can try it out for free and just kind of do a couple of searches and see how you like it. And I'll also leave a link to the other video where I talk about SiteRank. Like I said, this is not just a keyword research tool. It has a whole lot of different other features to it, and I've just been touching on a few of them throughout these videos. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was useful. And if you do like this kind of content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so that you know when I'm coming out with new content. Okay, and I will see you guys in the next video.